Hello friends, today I am going to install and connect inter USB Bluetooth to my PC, and it is going at first I open the Bluetooth from the packet. Now I am plugging to the USB connector of the CPU. That is connected to my computer, and go to the screen. You can see that there is a symbol of Bluetooth. In this place there is a symbol of Bluetooth. Now I'm going to connect my phone with the Bluetooth, so that this is my phone, Nokia phone. So I open it and open the Bluetooth. The phone Bluetooth is on. Now go and click on the Bluetooth symbol of your PC and click to the add a Bluetooth device. Now go to the PC and device and then Bluetooth. After that you see that the Bluetooth automatically search the new Bluetooth device, which is insulator. Is my Nokia Bluetooth device name, and after that click on this and ready to pair is shown, and click on the pair option. You see that there is a code and there is some option boxes, and you also see that in my phone there is a message which asks me to accept. Click accept, and you know that the code shown in the PC and my phone is same, and click yes. Up, updating pairing with part pairing, and click on yes. I missed that. I have to click fast on yes, and again I click pair. I click then yes. After that I only yes, and the pairing is done. Okay friends, first time I made some mistake, and the second time I do the right thing. So that, and now it's time to send some files from PC to my phone. So I am sending if image. Click on the image and send via Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth, select the Bluetooth device and click on next. And I have to, oh, it is already sent to my phone, and I can see this, that is the picture of buffalo, and I sent the picture buffalo. So it is working good, though in the packet it is mentioned that it is only supported to Vista, Windows 7 and Windows XP, but my 8.1 operating system of Windows is also supported the device. If your device is not supported, then you should download a universal video Bluetooth supporter and click on the install button and plug in the Bluetooth. Thank you.